Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi RSQ3 Sportback Sport Edition. This particular example is also finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. As well, it is a part of the approved used range, so it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the key features, the RSQ3 does feature a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine which produces 400 PS and 480 Nm of torque with a 0 to 62 time of just 4.5 seconds. Moving on now, looking at the front of the vehicle, we find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these RS specific 21-inch 5 V-spoke polygon design diamond cut alloys with the RS red calipers. Above now we find that sliding panoramic glass sunroof in which is let in the natural light into the interior, as well as having a lovely contrast with the black and the grey. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the RSQ3 Sportback, where we find up to 635 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a performance SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full black nap leather RS interior with the honeycomb leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making the RSQ3 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as fine nap leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Sport Edition, it does mean the panoramic glass sunroof is fitted as standard with an electrically adjustable blind. As well, you do get these RS Sport seats with the RS logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. The screen can also be used to access navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle data. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation. It does also allow usage of your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. Now to the screen above, once again we find a reversing camera which does make this RSQ3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi RSQ3 Sport Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please do get in touch with our friendly sales team.